Let's look a bit more into Lagoon. Lagoon is a container hosting for developers. It's built by developers, so you will see later we have a couple of things. We have CLI tools, we have UI tools, but it's really built for developers that need to host fast and in a good manner. Everything you will see today is containerized from locally to production. And also with using containers, we have a local environment which is totally congruent to production. What means congruent? It means that you have locally the same Docker images running that are also running in production. So these are the same configurations, the same versions, all the same. And so this gives you the certainty that if something runs locally, it also works in production. Lagoon itself is completely open source. That means you can see how the configurations are running, you can see how we do things, but you can also send us pull requests if you don't like something, if you find a bug. We're happy to accept PRs for any kind of changes, even if it's just that we forgot the dot or a semicolon somewhere. Please create a PR and send it over to us. Lagoon is actually not a container orchestration system. It works with existing container orchestration systems like Kubernetes and OpenShift. So we didn't try to reinvent the world because that's already existing. Very clever people already did that. And so we're just using these things. Lagoon is built completely API first. It has a GraphQL API. And so you can interact with it via the GraphQL or the API or via the UI. And of course, because it's just a container hosting system, technically it can host much more than Drupal. We have many other things running in it as well, but today we're going to focus on Drupal and PHP.